Hello. So in this video we need to solve this question under root of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to so on 45. Doesn't matter what is over here. It can be anything here. So you for these type of questions you always need to remember one formula. What is that formula? That formula is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on n. The sum of these first n positive numbers is n multiply n plus 1 upon 2. That means in this case we have under root n is the last number. Okay, so here it is 45 multiply n plus 1 means 45 plus 1, that means 46 upon 2. So cancel this out, we got this, and then now you can multiply 45 and 23, and I have told you the trick to multiply two numbers. Multiply first number with the first number, you got 8. Multiply second number with the second number, you got 15. Multiply first number with the last number, you got 12. Multiply 10, 5 to the 10, and you got 5, 3, 1035. Okay, so this was the trick. You can find this trick in one of my videos. So it is under root of 1035. So because here actually this we write this number as a 4-digit number, and these product we write in the middle digits, under the middle digits. Okay, this is the short trick to multiply 2-digit numbers. So you can find this trick on another video of my channel, and for these type of questions you always need to follow this method. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.